programming. Because that's what I do. So, how are we all doing today? I know it's jumping straight in, there's probably not been enough time for anyone to even get here. But, you know, I'm here anyway, because it's my stream and I can do what I want. And I just gotta get chat open. So, okay, there's the Discord notification. And I am still just stalling. Hold on. Okay, and I have my chat monitoring device open. There we go. So yeah, today we're back working on my game. I have some plans to complete, which hopefully we can achieve without too much difficulty. And yeah, we're going to jump into that shortly. Okay, cool, let's go. Actually, I should probably just get my face on the stream. There it is. Hello. So, today's plan. Stream for a long time, do programming for as much of it as I can do without getting distracted, and keep working down the list of things. Well, actually, technically we're working up at this point, because we're going to make it so the player can die first. Then we're going to do the inventory system, and then we can work on further refinements to combat. So basically we're going in reverse order of the list. And boom, here's my computer screen. Also, we have a rubber duck down here, which is you guys. Chat. Chat, say something. Chat can't talk, so I will do it. There we go. Oh my god, that I did not think of that. Hold on, I just got to go make this not bad. Didn't think about the text color being black. Stream elements. Keep me logged in, please. There we go. Overlays. No, stream chat. Yes, okay, text settings. Where's the chat on here? Programming chat. Refresh. Then. It's still white. Did I actually save it? That's the wrong app. Go away. Oh, I didn't press save. Okay. F. Oh, I think it worked. There we go. Chat is incredibly small and I didn't think of that, but it's good. Okay, cool. So, stream going. There's my game. But we need to do the thing that I always do to warm up, to get my brain working. Chess. With multiversal time travel. Let's go. Okay, cool. So, okay, I'm white, so that. Interesting. Interesting, very interesting. There we go. I mean, we could just go in for an unnecessary and wasteful checking move, but we're not going to do that. And, okay, they're doing this immediately. I see how it is. This has, however, now left us with a nice... But what the shit are they doing? Oh, they evacuated the queen from this board, okay. Fascinating. Very strange tactics. Oh, let's get the other horsey out here. Is there anything practical we could do of that? I'm thinking maybe we go in for this sort of maneuver. Dumb as it is, we could do this. I'm intrigued as to where that king's going. Oh, it's going like that. Okay, oh shit, that's a problem. Also, it's a queen, not a king. I know my chess pieces. Ah, fuck, I meant to press undo. Okay, well, we do this. And here we are going to do this. Is there any way we can take that queen? No, there isn't. Ah. We could just move ours out of the way though. Wait, no, that's stupid. Let's put that there. Hang on, I want to see, could we just threaten this again? mean, it's entirely possible that it does something incredibly ridiculous and gets us immediately losing. But you know what? That's okay. Oh, and that's put a passed... Yep, a passed queen. We can do this. The fuck? Okay. Well, I wasn't expecting it to do that. There are now just straight up no queens here to capture. No kings, goddammit. There's just no kings on these two timelines we are working with. And this board still only has one, actually. So you know what? Let's get you... Oh, you can't reach. Can anyone reach that board? Come on, surely someone. No, if the queen couldn't, no one else can. You know what? Let's push you... If we put this back to... somewhere like here. That should push the timeline back. Oh, all the way to the first one, okay. And I don't remember what was going on this board, so... Oh, it's this, okay. This game has spiraled wildly out of control now. Damn it. God, I was really thinking. No, we don't want to make that move. We want to make this move. To here. Don't worry, there's a plan in here somewhere. Why can we not make that move anymore? Yeah, I don't understand this game sometimes. Oh, we're almost up to here. And it's put me in check, god damn it. We just abandoned that one somehow. Despite the fact that we just went over it. I don't... What? How did we not have to make a move there? Okay, fine. Let's see where we can make moves. Can we? Let's just bring this one forwards. Oh, it's into... Oh, like that. Pfft. Okay, just moved the piece. Pretty standard D-checking. Oh, it's not... I'll go on that one. Because now we have enough range that we should be able to make much easier alignments of these queens to check pieces over here. but I'm not sure how anymore. Alright, because that's... Pff. Can we take this with anything? No. No. Ugh, disappointment. Unless this board? No. No, wouldn't. No. Close, but no. Okay, and this one. There we go. Okay, and oh, it's done this. Okay. Interesting. So we need to take that piece. Is there any way to? Yes, there is. This one. Okay, nice. There we go. Okay, it's thinking. Okay, what did it just take? Oh, it took a pawn. So, wait, hang on, where are their kings? There's 1, 2... Okay, they're both on that board up there because the other one... were evacuated back here. I'm sorry, how are there only oh wait, no, that makes sense actually. Because of where the time travel took place. Sorry, I just need to do that actually. In fact, we still can't do that yet. Let's try that. Oh, we still got to do here as well. There, there. And you know what, we moved... Oh no, but we need to get rid of that too. There we go. Oh, and I won. Pfft, never mind. Oh, because it gets it in the past and there's no way to push the timeline back. Definitely what I planned. Wait, hang on, let me just check. Oh, of course, okay. Cool, well. Oh, Jax, welcome to the stream. You got here just in time for me to actually start doing the programming that I'm meant to be doing. I was just having a quick warm-up game of chess. So, today's checklist. Make it so something happens when the player's HP reaches 0, because currently it does nothing. I forgot what the save button I made was. Is it? No, it's not F3. Is it F2? Might be. Okay. Okay, well, I have just found a different issue with the saving system, but we can deal with that later. So currently what happens when the player dies is nothing. They don't actually die. Your health just kind of would go negative. However, there is an issue where it's not actually being able to take away health from you properly, or the enemies are being a bit stupid. Player dot HP minus equals. There it is. This dot damage doesn't exist. So you need to stop trying to use it. Oh my god. So it's here, 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 no, here, here. I believe it's this dot weapon dot damage. Now, do they actually have weapon passed in properly when they're created? Let's find out. I don't remember where they are. Here, AIs. Default sword. Yes, that's good. Now, that little red bar at the bottom shouldn't immediately disappear when that thing gets close to us. There you go, it drains, and then it goes negative, so the bar starts getting bigger again. So let's make a condition that checks for that happening. Draw. Game. At the end of each frame, let's check if the player's dead. What? Game state. Okay. But I can spell it properly. It needs to switch it so it's not running the game anymore, it's running a death menu. Death, there we go, that's it. And then we just add a little case down here. Case, death. And 0, 0, I believe it will be at the middle of the screen. Now let's see. When we get killed, where is the thing? Come on over and murder me, please. The text didn't work, damn it. Oh my god. You're supportive? I'm loving the support right now. It's real great. Why did that not work? Oh shoot, no, it needs to be... okay, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, that's not how UI works. Let's make a new UI function. So in this we need to switch the camera over to the other camera. And that's about it really. We don't currently have buttons that we need running, but it's just going to do that. Now let's check this again. What happens when you die? Wait, it tells us we're dead. And it doesn't even let me reload the save. Cool. Yay, kind of yay. This is progress. But now that that's working, I need to go back and fix a bug before it breaks certain things. Because currently, if you save the game anywhere other than this room, so let's just go out and show it again. If I press save here, it's saved. You can't exactly see it, but it's saved. And then I were to, hold on, let's just reload the save. Okay, it works when you're in the same room, but if, oh my god, the music's paused. Okay, if I warp back to that room, here we are. Hello, you. Stop, 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 stop. Stop following me. There we go, it's dead. And now from here, if I were to reload that save, straight up breaks. Okay, that's not what happened last time. Line 83. What's on line 83? It's hard and I'm clever? Thank you. I try. I barely know what's going on most of the time. Where's line 83? Why does current cell.floors become blank? Hold on, we need to be printing something. We need to check something somewhere, and I forgot where it is that it's being checked. It would be... Oh, I know exactly where it is, actually, because I remember writing it. Here. No, it's in the else. There we go. Current cell number, because if that's wrong it messes up things. So every time we load it's gonna go good. It should print 1 and then it should print 0 here and then it should print 1 again. Then it should print 0 again, and oh god, you're back. No, go away. Ah. Stop. There we go. Okay, we go to the other cell. We save. We go back again. Then we load the other save. And here it is. It worked. Why did it crash before? Now, it took us to the right position, but the cell it took us to is wrong. Also, what are you doing here? Hang on, okay. Another issue, it's reset animations. Okay, well, it's doing some things right. Okay, if you load a save while jumping, it stops you from jumping. Another bug. Shh! Shut up, computer. My computer's being a bit grumpy. It does that sometimes. Okay, so the thing is, this right here, when it loads, it's loading you into the wrong cell sometimes. So oh, that's not right. Okay, that was a very easy fix. It's not using the saved when it's loading you into the cell, or when it's choosing which cell to put you in. It's not taking the value from the saved storage. It's taking literally just the one you're currently in. So it just needs to be saved world 2. There we go. That should work. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to disable that thing for a moment. Up to the AIs. We're just... Actually, no, we're not even going to disable it. We're just going to make it so it cannot move. It still thinks it's alive, but it has a movement speed of 0. Hey, you. Trying to get me? You can't get me. Oh, it could still hurt me if I get too close. And let's just load back over here. What the fuck? Why is it -1? What the fuck is that? How has it gone to -1? That shouldn't be possible. Ah! Okay, anyway. F2. How the fuck did I get back? Oh yeah, because I used the thing. Okay, then. Load that save. It crashed. See, now why is it not like this sometimes? Sometimes it's able to correctly find... See, that time it printed 1. That means it found the correct cell that we're looking for. It found the cell we're in. Then if we interact with this, it goes back to 0. Then we load that. Why is it frozen? Hello, why have you frozen? Fantastic, okay. So, in the loading stuff, let's just check. Alright, now that's frozen completely. Okay, this... Hang on. Okay, no, it's not moving. F2. Okay, good. Saved correctly. Well, saving shouldn't have any errors. Now we're back here. I didn't mean to come back here, I was just... Anyway, here. Then we go from here to F9. It crashes. It loads the correct cell, it loads the... Your Twitch keeps shutting down? Oh no, that's not good. That's very not good. What the fuck? Hang on, it's... Wait, what? It should teleport us before it loads the new cell. Why did that not work? Oh, no, it has, but it's... Okay, so it loads the world, then on the next frame, it updates the camera's position to match where the player is. That makes sense, that's how it's always worked. Then why couldn't it get to this next line and do the output? Now let's put this so we know that once it's saved, it'll tell us a number. Okay, it's refreshing the page, that's good. It's not refreshing the page. And if we just save here, zero. Okay, good. That's meant to be printing 0. And then F2 here, good. It prints 1. And then if we F9, it warps us back there. -1. Why has it gone -1 now? Stuck on -1. How is that bloody possible? I don't get how it becomes broken like that. Okay, good. 1. We save. Then we go back into here, and then we load that save. It doesn't work. Why does it not work? Because I'm a bloody idiot. Wait, no, I'm not. And world is just a list, right? Yes, it is. Okay, let's try doing this, oh god, before the things where it freezes. Okay, good, that's correct. Actually, hang on, if we make the save over here, I might be able to test a hypothesis. F2, okay, saved. Now I'll walk over here to you. Interact. Okay, it's taking us back here. Then F9. Frick, it didn't work. Hang on, F9. Why is it not printing anything? Okay, cool. Saved. Okay, there we go, we're back here. And then we load the save. I think I figured out the issue. Well, I figured out one issue. Let's just do another one. If we save here, that should be then interact, and then why has it gone to -1? Why has it gone to 0? That makes no sense. Okay, but I have figured out what an issue is. Maybe. It is not liking it when we yeah, I've kind of figured out the issue. Basically, I think that enemy that kept running at us, but then I made it 0, it's trying to still do its pathfinding. After we've switched cells, like, it's still getting to try to run its pathfinding once before we fully load the other cell, the one where it doesn't exist. But then sometimes if we save in a region where in the correct cell it wouldn't be able to reach you, it just breaks. So we need to just check that. Also, was this printing on the light line? I think it was. Okay. So we can... So we need to go. We want this to go. Yeah, here makes sense. Except potentially not. Okay, good, that still works. Then we see if we save here, then because this is an exact replica of the other cell with some walls deleted. The thing would be over in that far corner there, and it wouldn't be able to reach out here because there'd be a wall in the way. If hypothetically we were in the other cell. So if we save here, basically we get moved here, and then the thing tries to reach us before it gets unloaded, and then it just can't do anything, so it crashes the game because it's stuck in a constant loop. Then we reload that save. It didn't freeze that time, but it also didn't print anything. Wait, why is that what I asked it to... That's not what I wanted to print there. Hold on. Oh, it's because I copied the wrong thing. AIs. Okay, here. Let's just actually save it here just to make sure we're outside the boundaries. Direct with you, then load back over there, and that's where it freezes. 1036? Yeah, see? The AI is appearing again. Except it's blank. Hang on. Ah, fucking hell. Okay, I see an issue. I know that I've actually figured out the issue this time. Basically, the current cell number it isn't updated properly when you load your save. Meaning, if you warp between cells using a load, it will keep the cell. It will save the cell number as the wrong thing, so it'll try put you back to the wrong place sometimes if you accidentally press load. If you accidentally use the load function in 2 frames, one after the other. So that's why it becomes -1 sometimes, because it's then looking for a cell that doesn't exist, because basically the cell datas have got sort of misaligned. So when it's searching the list of all the cells, it can't find the one you're in, so it becomes -1, and that breaks because because JavaScript doesn't have -1 indexes on lists. So if we just go current cell number equals, hang on, no, we don't even need to do that, it just needs to be current cell, hold on, world.index of current cell. So we refresh this. Is it going to refresh? No, because it's frozen. There we go. Just make sure it's properly refreshed. Now we should be able to if we save in here and then warp across, then save here. Oh shoot, that's the wrong thing. F2. Hello, I want my mouse to be gone again. Okay, F2 is definitely saved. Then interact with this one. Okay, it loads. Now we should... And it works. Okay, good, it's working. It's working kind of. Yes, and it can perform multiple loads one frame after the other without crashing. It's gone to -1. God damn it, it's no longer working. But the save is still working. No, not what I wanted to... Actually, hang on. If we save here again, now it'll crash. Because the -1 index doesn't exist. Okay, good. Now we've got to figure out why it's going to -1. Interact check variable 1. Yes, that's correct. What's the use data? Is it just test cell? And then does it become an outdated version of it? Potentially. That could be the issue. Also, I never turned the music back on. There we go. Okay, so if we just get rid of every console.log, this should be... It will show far easier what the problem is that I believe it might be. Now I just need to find this again. Yeah, actually, if... Well, what the fuck? That's somehow broken itself. How did that happen? Oh, let's just hop over this wall and try that again. Okay, so somehow that broke it. Okay, not somehow. Very obvious how, because I was using the wrong symbol, so it was reassigning it to force it to be that. Okay, that's good. Oh, hold on, that's changed. Where's that changed? Wait, why is it printing an entity? Interact check variable 1. Oh, because that's what I'm asking it to print. But that's not what I want it to print. Actually, we can still check what's in here. So, where's the cell? There's the cell. Okay, it's going to be that AI is going to have deparitied. Hang on, is it? Wait, that could quite possibly be the problem. Hang on, it didn't print that. Why didn't it print that? Because it's... We want this to be if... equals... specifically... where is it? Here, you. So if the entity we're interacting with is this one, yeah, it's because we've moved around within the cell. When we load, the save, a thing that happens where I think it might be an issue with the entity, basically the AI's goal here is going to have changed compared to what's in the world variable and what's in the current cell variable, I believe. So we're just going to do a quick shaboom. World 0.AI's 0.goal. Now let's see. Okay, good, that's expected. It didn't even print that time, okay. Equals there we go. Okay, good. They're the same there. Then we save. F9. just do a whole load of save load confusion. And what the fuck? Hold on, that's just straight up lost its abilities. Why did it not do that? Okay, time to just print these two instead. There we go, okay, it went to a -1. Let's try a thing again. False. Why did it print false? Oh, because that's what I asked it to print. Try this again. It crashed. Because I spelt a variable name wrong. My god. It's always the stupidest errors. Okay, you. Hang on, that's so strange. Oh wait, no, that's what it's meant to be doing, because it's always printing specifically this one, so when they match up, the two variables that are being printed should match up when we do this. Indeed they did there. Okay, and there it is. There's the proof that it changes. Right there. I forgot what it was actually printing though. So that second one is where it was saved. Okay, so basically we need to clear the AI's goals variable because that's breaking things. Their goals and paths need to be changed or need to be cleared out. And hypothetically, if I were to just perform a load here, try this again. Except no, because it's still... And if we console.log the current cell number, it would quite possibly break. And is it actually the world variable that it pushed in? Yeah, it is. Yes, this is making sense. Okay, I think I'm seeing what's happening. Actually, just as an idea, we're just going to comment this stuff out for a second, and then constantly have it go. Okay, good, that's correct. So now if we were to save here, yeah, the world variable isn't updating. Hang on, no wait, this issue might specifically be caused because we made the things speed 0, so it's never able to reassess its stuff. Yeah, I might be in... it's never reassessing the pathfinding because it can't move. We need to clear the AI's paths, I think. So when we're saving, and yes, it could potentially cause a little lag on loading or saving and loading, but that's fine. That happens in literally every game. We just need to put this in the initial save that it makes as well. So here, if we were to go around here, it could potentially update that first thing. Yeah, there it is. Oh, got turned around there. Yeah, when you load, it resets the path variable to 0. Oh, my computer's being grumpy again. Hold on, I'm just going to tab out for a second. Refreshing. Okay, good. My computer stopped being so grumpy. Except, hold on. Hang on, did I not put it in the save as well properly? No, I somehow just completely forgot to paste it in here. Oh no, I just put it into the load twice. So if we save and then load, it's not like recalculating it before there, is it? It's entirely possible that they're recalculating their pathfinder before it logs it. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, it got to a -1. Woohoo. Oh, how did we... Oh, I accidentally pressed caps. What do you mean current cell number isn't defined? Because it doesn't start with a capital. God, I'm an idiot sometimes. And now it's hit a -1. Okay. Well, it's back to this issue again. Actually, hang on, why am I still doing... I just realised I could have made this so much simpler for myself. We stop this, we just have them use the cell number instead. That would also probably save RAM space, because it means there aren't quite as many long variables being stored. then we can just change it to please work first time. First time, hell yes. You know what, let's put that AI's speed back up a little bit. Just to 1, I think that's the right place. And just as a test, okay, good, it's approaching. And then it freezes. Wait, why did it go to 1 for a second? Oh no, because that's the other thing we're printing. Okay, good, so it's frozen on that while we're in the other cell, and it doesn't reset. Okay, that's good. I was going to say it's taking a long time, then I remembered we set its speed to literally 0. Or to 1, actually. Not literally 0, because it isn't 0. And it's dead. Nice. And if we were to say F2 here, just save at a random place like that. I want to interact. And then interact with you. F9, do it again. Oh no, let us jump, okay. Okay, I think for now we're going to say that's working. And I've just seen the time, so I'm going to take a short break to have lunch. Thank you for the support so far, everyone. I'll see you in a minute. That's not the correct thing, it's just... There we go. That's how we make it say things. I should probably mute myself, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should. Did I do it? No, I didn't. Goodbye. You get to enjoy the music that hopefully doesn't get my stream copyright struck. guess who's back? Surprise, it's me. Welcome back, everyone. How's everyone doing during the break? I went to get lunch, and I made a genius decision. Instead of making myself a sandwich and wasting that much time, I just get the ingredients out and just eat them. It's quite practical, actually. My god, my hair's a mess as well. That's not practical. Better. And now, back to this. Quack, quack, hello duck. Wobble, wobble. Anyway, as we took a break, need my brain warmed back up with some good old chess. Okay. Interesting first move. Actually, if we do this, and then this, no, that's not going to work. And, ah, damn it, that horse is in the way now. Okay. We've now made stupid decisions that have left us in a vulnerable position. I see what you're doing there, it's not going to work. Okay, it did that. Very aggressive. What the shit is it doing? Well, now they have no queens in the present. Take that. There we go. Then we take that. That's in check, it'll just move there though. So what do? We just do this. Yeah, simple get out, but it works. Oh, and there's another queen there. I forgot another king there. Just do this, I suppose. Now that can get instantly taken, but oh well. It's a worthy sacrifice. Okay, intriguing. But actually a really smart play. Well done, AI. But what you didn't think about was the fact that I'll just follow you over with a different piece. Actually, there's no point. We have pieces on this board already. Okay, that, and then we win. But actually, that's... I didn't realise that would... Actually, yes, I did. I actually did realise it would go into the past there, but I didn't realise there was no way of stopping it. Oh, I'm just too good at this game. If we undo the move, could there be nothing that they could do to push the timeline back further? Oh no, it wouldn't push the timeline back because the last new timeline created was also made by them. Made by it, so if I were to push the timeline back, it would go back. So let's just find a piece we can. It won't let me simulate it. Okay, I assume that'll be how it works, ish. Anyway, back to the programming. Also, I forced Opera to stop trying to render it just through the task manager, and this is what happened. It just context lost. Lose context. Context lost. Thank you, very helpful error message. Also, I want to see what this is. Oh, it just draws a little sad face. It didn't save the image at all. Oh, anyway, back to this. Nah, go away. Why did I even have Discord open? It just caused the problems. Anyway, we need you to start running again. Okay, those errors are slightly worrying. I'm not sure what they mean. Well, they were warnings, not errors. E. There we go. Hey you. Talk to me. Nice. You're lucky I can't kill you, because I would if I could. I just realized, when does it set player dot jumping to true and false? Is it even player dot? If jumping, okay. Let's start at the top. So it sets jumping to true when you press space. Okay. If jumping. And then jumping equals false. Let's just... Okay, here's saving. But now if player.y is greater than... There we go, okay. We just want the UI to say a little thing like, you cannot save while jumping or falling. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, I've just got a random spam comment on one of my YouTube videos. That's always pleasant. Player.y, okay. How do we do this? We go, just going to call a little UI function, because it's easier than adding a condition into the main UI function. Hold on a second. Hold on, just be a second. No, I don't, sorry. Okay, let's go. So what are we doing? Yes. We don't want that to be so big, we want it to be like size 20 text, maybe negative. Hang on, wait, we can just change the text align so I know how to do this. P5. Text align center top. That way we can write negative 512 and negative 288. I shouldn't say that, I should say actually, while jumping or falling sounds better. Okay, let's test. Space and okay, cool, it works. I mean, it's in the wrong place because it needs to be left, not center. Okay, good, we can save on the floor. Yeah, but then if you hold it down, it saves as soon as you hit the floor. So we have this actually working now, it seems. Oh, I died. We also want it to, when you when you die, it basically turns it to a menu. So basically we need like this. I think it's time to actually draw some buttons. Let's go. Because currently buttons are still the only thing working on the stupid rendering system. Let's say just make this 200 by, come on, 60. There we go. That is buttons. You just need to make this width of 400 by, I forgot what it was, 60. There we go, okay. There, okay, 2 buttons. We just want text on them saying something. Just make a layer behind so I can do this easier. Yes, I know there's a text function, but I prefer writing. Like this. And then on the layer behind we put like a light grey and a dark grey. Very original, I know. There we go. That's the begin button sprite sheet. Where is it? Of course it's in GitHub. No, begin button. And then we need a new one. Then we can just replace the text with what we want it to say for the new thing. which will be quite simple text called, it's just going to say load. Last. Trust me, that's an A. There we go. Interesting. Oh no, that got rid of the letter E. Ooh, and we could actually make it so you can keep multiple saves. However, you would lose them all if you refresh the page, because I'm not having it. Actually, I totally could do that. I could make it so the saves persist. There you go. Still berating me for losing. And in here we need to make... Actually no, first things first, make the buttons act like buttons, or render properly. How is their sprite sheet currently constructed? I don't remember. So we do... just minimize everything that we don't need. So my god, this file is long. I'm going to split it up at some point. I'm sure nothing bad can come of shortening button to but at every possible instance. Fuck, I forgot what it's called. Begin button and death button, okay. There we go. Okay, now we can go to the setup. Tests. No, it will be main menu buts. Button X of 0, a Y of, let's say we put it near the bottom, 200, no, a little bit higher than that, 100, width of 200, height of 60, function. Actually the function is just going to be load. Sprite sheet load but. Sprite width is 260. Oh, I actually already accounted for this. Nice. We already have the things in place so we can do it. Now up at the top here, we also need execute func to have an extra thing. Oh yeah, okay, I remember how that works. Got worried for a second there was something incredibly unoptimized, but I remember. Case load. Just gonna break for now because we haven't put load into a separate function. And here in the render it goes. Get rid of that. Okay, good, I know what that does. We need image. This dot sprite sheet. Trans Y, and then these need to be its width and height. And then the part it needs to take from on the thing needs to be this dot check hovered times this dot SW, and it just needs to be 0. Wait, no. Oh no, yeah, this is right, okay. Load but is not defined. Why not? Because I've missed a capitalization somewhere. Ah, great. Okay. Okay. What did I do wrong? Oh, hold on. That doesn't need to be there anymore, I don't think. Yeah, okay, thought so. Also, the trans X and trans Y have become redundant now because images always load from the top left corner. Oh. Okay, let's try this one more time. Good, that's where we want it to be, I believe. Okay, good. Now we just need to quickly die. Please kill me. I died. Why is it doing begin? Oh, because I forgot to switch which set of buttons it was using. Where would it be? Death UI rate. Yeah, it's here. Shouldn't be main menu, but it should be. I forgot what it's called. Wait, no, it's just load but. Load button. Dot render. And then let's just see. Can we? What happens if we make that entity just run way too quick? Just as a slight distraction, because I think it will be funny. AI, okay, you now run at 100 meters. Hang on, one. You now run at 3,000 meters per second. No, centimeters per second. So you run 300 meters per second. It's here. It killed me. Load last save. Okay. Well, it's just kind of executing the function without actually me needing to click. What have I done wrong? Oh, I'm not checking if the mouse is pressed. Okay. Oh, hold on, the fact that... Okay, this could lead to me having separate hover and click functions on things. Ego zoom. Alright, it's in setup here. Alright, it needs to be negative 100. God, I love being able to do maths properly, because obviously 200 divided by 2 is 30. Damn, we didn't kill it in time. Okay, cool. Well, the player can die now. And that was quite literally the first thing we wanted to do with this stream, and it's only taken us 2 hours. Professional. Quack, quack. Pet, 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 pet. I have no idea how well the duck actually works for viewers, if you can even read it. Might need to make the text size bigger. Who knows? We'll find out later. Can we just... No, we can't even just press F9. Okay, now we need to move the save to an actual function. And the load. And function load game. There we go, okay. go, that's good. And then load game just uses doop, ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Load, here it is. Also we can just replace the save here with... Hold on. It's saving when you're in the air anyway. Why is this an error now? Because we're missing a closed bracket. Music, come back. There we go, stop being an error. Oh, the load game doesn't have any functionality yet. You, get your functions in the function. And yeah, it does need to still run the resaving. Probably make it so you can't save while in combat as well. Now we just add the load save or load game into the functionality for this. So menu button, execute function, load. Just needs to run the load game function. Now, come and kill me. It doesn't work. Hang on. Okay. Sorry, we need to stop the other log. You are no longer needed, we solved you. We also solved you. Now it's just this one, okay. Oh, it's not changing the state of the game. I believe it's just game. Game, yes it is, okay. There we go, it works. It does need to re-enter the pointer lock though. Load last save, there we go, we're back. Yeah, this is why you can't save during combat. Because you'll get stuck in a death loop, probably. Unless we fix the fact that enemies just still drain your health. Okay. Hold on, I need to go to the loo quickly. Back in a moment. Yeah, going. Thy Lord and Saviour once again returns. I'm also here. And I realised we've actually been going quite a while now. Look at that, 2.5 hours nearly. We've achieved 2 great things today. I'd like to do the one last thing actually. One last thing is just slightly alter how the enemies, or how the AIs attack. Okay, so if they're in melee range, what we want them to do is sort of, once they attack, they stop doing... Hold on, I'll show. Oh, I died. So basically they just kind of drain your health when they're near you. We don't want that to be the case. What we want is for them to basically attack. They do the attack like you do, and then on the frame, and then once the attack's finished they can move again. Oh god, so I'm thinking we add another pathfinding mode. You know what, there's going to be more modes where they don't need to do a melee check, so I'm going to start adding it to specific things now. There we go, okay, so we no longer want this. We want to add a new case actually, case A for attacking. He goes at a break at the end. Hold on, okay, first for this should be, we need to add a weapon frame. Hang on, was there anything else with that in the player? Was it just weapon frame? It was just attacking and attack frame. It was just attack frame we need, okay. And the weapons take the same thing, so... Oh, I already added attack frame. Okay, nice. This dot mode equals A. And then if its mode is attacking, sorry. Then it doesn't need to check that, it should... Okay. When its case is A, it will this dot weapon frame plus equals 1. If this dot weapon frame equals dot weapon dot df. Okay, good. If it's attack frame, then it hits the weapon's attack frames, or the amount of frames it takes for the weapon to attack. AF. It just needs to be greater than that, actually. It will just run the melee check. Now, melee checks if... It just checks if it's in range of the player, so we need to see if it's face... How do we check if it's facing the player? Is that part of follow path? Okay, there could still be a little issue there, but it should work. And then we can change that animation later, because we don't currently have any animation. Oh god, speed's still 100. Let's make you down to just 20, I think, should be reasonable for now. Actually, let's just for the shits and giggles, 2000. And I'm just going to make the player ridiculously tall so we can see it. Oh my god, it got to us already. Wait, it just continued draining our health? Oh god, okay. Because I'm an idiot. Double equal sign. My god, it's not that hard to get. Come on. Go on, you think you can kill me? It's frozen. Okay. Hang on, did I change the damage frame? How damage frame works? Is it frames? Let's see, where's default sword? 2, 1. Wait, that's damage, sprite, attack frames, damage frame. What's the closed bracket? What's the brackets? Weapon, there we go. Sprite sizes, okay, yeah, we didn't bother with that yet. And I've just realised what the problem is. It's attack frame, not weapon frame. Why did I write weapon frame? There we go, is that the only... That's the only place I made that mistake. Okay, let's try again. Maybe if we make its weapon take longer to attack. Shit. Oh god, just opened my disc tray by accident. Let's say give it a 15 frame attack that attacks on frame 6 for 10 damage. That should make it more obvious when something's happening. Oh god. Yeah, then our weapon breaks as well because it's the same weapon. Okay, so it's begun its attack. Begun its attack, then the... Okay, cool, that works. Now we just need to make it... Hang on, one other check. Hang on, does the melee check turn it around? I don't think it does. Okay. Basically, it's now going to check if the player's in range. And it's going to check if the angle between it and the player is the same as the angle it's facing. Okay, there we go. No, let me fully highlight things before stopping that, please. Thank you, there we go. And then if... if it's still facing towards the player, it will take away this thing's weapon damage from the player. Now we just need to change it so it's not calculating against path 0, it's calculating against it's calculating against player.x and player.z. Okay, cool, that looked like it works. Oh yeah, I need to refresh because we changed mechanics. Interesting, it's not logging, it's not doing any attacks, it doesn't seem. Oh, because the melee check, I was meant to set it so it returns true or false. That makes the break here unreachable? Yes. Okay, so we can delete that. Wait, where's it? Oh, there it is. This stuff doesn't need to be here because it kind of breaks some things for other parts if we put it there. When it's doing melee check, it will calculate its own angle. It'll calculate its own angle when it's in melee. Now the melee check returns the correct true or false value. Height at 662 is not defined. Oh, thanks for the suggestions, but no, that's not what I'm looking for. Line 662, okay, that's here. Why is hypotenuse is not defined? Because it's up here. So we define it here as well. Yes, that looks like it's working. Nice. Okay, cool. So, that means it's time for me to once again thank everyone for being here. And to remind you, please follow if you haven't already. Please subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube. Join the Discord for all sorts of community stuff. Love you all. I'll see you next time, which might be tonight. I might stream something tonight, not sure yet. But I love you all very, very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.